Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach chapter number 11's second point, that is what exactly are shadows. Exactly what is a shadow? You already know that what is shadow, but we will understand this into the science language. તમને બધાને ખબર છે કે આપણી પડછાઈને આપણે ઇંગ્લિશમાં શેડો કહીએ. So what is shadow exactly is, we will going to learn this in this point. Now one by one hold each of the opaque object. To understand these things you need to perform an activity. So let's start the activity. Now one by one hold each of the opaque object in the sunlight slightly above the ground. What do you see on the ground? See, if I am standing in a sunlight and if I will hold my book like this and if I will see to the ground, what happen? I can see the shadow of this book to the ground. You know that the dark patch formed by each one of the ground is due to its shadow. Whatever the dark patch that I can see is due to the shadow. Sometimes you can identify the object by looking at its shadow. So, you know what happened? Sometimes you can identify the object, that which object is this from the shadow. Spread a sheet on a paper on the ground. Hold a familiar opaque object at some height so that its shadow is formed on the sheet of paper and on the ground. Ask one of your friends to draw the outline of the shadow while you are holding the object. Draw outline of the shadow of other object in the similar way. See, now it is tell you to perform an interesting activity. They are telling you to hold anything, then you do the same thing. Take that object. Suppose that I am taking this book, I am standing right now into the sunlight, and then what I am doing, I am just keeping book like this, but I am not telling my friends that this is a book in my hand. Then I am telling my friend to just make an outline of this things, and then I will tell my friend to identify the things. See, this is the easy object, so my friend can easily identify the book. But if there are any things like a camera, stick, selfie stick, then I just hold it like this and tell my friend to just make an outline into the sheet of paper on the ground, and then I will definitely ask her to identify the things. So this is like an interesting game. Now ask some other friends to identify the object from these outlines of the shadow. How many objects are they able to identify correctly? See, most of the objects they can identify correctly, but there are some objects which they are not familiar to them, they cannot identify. જે એના વિશે જાણતા જ નથી એને નહીં ઓળખી શકે. Do you observe your shadow in the dark room and at the night when there is no light? Do you observe a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room? See, how the shadow just reflect itself. It is like a phenomenon. તમે ક્યારે ઓબ્ઝર્વ કર્યું છે કે તમે સનલાઇટમાં તમારો શેડો કઈ રીતના હોય છે? Or have you ever observed your shadow into the dark room when there is only one source of light like candle and just a small bulb and a tube light, etc. So the reflection of the shadow in the different source of light is different. Do you observe shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else in the room? If there is nothing and just one source of light, it seems we need source of light and opaque object to see a shadow. Is there anything else required? See, this is really very, very clear things that if you want to see the object, you must fall the light on that particular things. તમારે જે વસ્તુ જોવી છે એના ઉપર લાઇટ પડવી ફરજિયાત છે. If it is not there, then you can not see the object. To understand this concept, we are going to take another activity, that is activity 3. This is an activity that you will have to do in the dark, in the evening. Go out and open ground with a few friends. Take a torch and large sheet of cardboard with you. Hold the torch close to the ground and shine it upwards so that it falls on your friend's face. You now have a source of light that falling on an opaque object. If there were no trees, building or any other object behind your friend, would you see the shadow of your friend and its friend's head? No. See guys, we are going to perform an activity that we are going to prove here that shadow falls on any surface only. એ કાંઈ પણ વસ્તુ ના હોય તો શેડો ફોર્મ નથી થતો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, એક તમારા એક ફ્રેન્ડને લ્યો, એના ઉપર તમે એક ટોર્ચ છે એ રાખો અને પછી એની પાછળ જુઓ કે જો કોઈ બિલ્ડિંગ કે પછી ટ્રી કે એવું કંઈ હશે તો તમારા ફ્રેન્ડનો પડછાયો છે એ પહેલે પાર પહોંચશે. બટ ઇફ ઇટ ઇઝ નથિંગ ધેર, then you cannot see the reflection or the shadow of your friends that is fall from the torch. ટોર્ચની લાઇટ આપવાથી જે પડે છે એ નહીં દેખાય. હા, સીધી રેખાથી જે પડે છે, સનલાઇટથી જે શેડો ફોર્મ થાય છે એ દેખાશે. બટ સપોઝ દેટ યોર ફ્રેન્ડ ઇઝ ધેર, ઊભો છે, એના ઉપર તમે ટોર્ચ મારો છો, પાછળના બેકગ્રાઉન્ડમાં કોઈ બી એક ટ્રી છે કે બિલ્ડિંગ છે કે એવું હશે તો ઇટ ડેફિનેટલી શેડો ફોલ્સ ઓન ઇટ. This does not mean that there is no shadow. After all, the light from the torch is not able to pass through his body to the other side. Now ask another friend to hold the cardboard sheet behind your friends. Is the shadow now seen on the cardboard sheet? See, now do this and repeat this again. Now put the cardboard sheet and repeat this again. And now tell your friend to observe that now કાર્ડબોર્ડની જે છે એમાં જે પડશે એનો શેડો પડશે. See, you can see this experiment here. See what happens. This is a reflection, this is second reflection, third reflection, fourth reflection, fifth reflection, and then this is a reflection on cardboard. So it is like this. Shadow of animals hidden in your hand. Thus, the shadow can be seen only on the screen, the ground walls or of a room. કાં તો તમે રૂમની દિવાલોમાં કાં ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં ઓર કાં તો કોઈ કાર્ડબોર્ડ ઉપર કે કોઈ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જ શેડો તમે જોઈ શકો છો. A building or other such a surfaces and as a screen for the shadow you observe in a everyday life. Or कोई भी जे स्क्रीन આપણે જે સિમ્પલ લઈએ છીએ, suppose that if there is nothing here, this is open, so you cannot see my shadow. Even right now, see, you can see my shadow. જો મારા હાથનો શેડો જો, you can see my shadow of my hands on the board. But if there is no board, then you cannot see the reflection of my hand. So it need a screen. Shadow give us some information about the shape of the object. Something. Shadows can also mislead us about the shape of the object. Very easy. Shadow છે જે આપણને ઓબ્જેક્ટની અસલી આઈડેન્ટિટી આપે છે કે આ ઓબ્જેક્ટ શું છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ઇફ આઈ એમ ડુઈંગ લાઈક ધીસ, યુ કેન આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ સમવોટ દેટ ધીસ ઇઝ ધ હેન્ડ ઓફ સમવન. આ કોઈનો હાથ છે. You can identify like this. If I make a picture like this, you can you identify this? Suppose that if the shadow falls like this, what happens? થોડો થોડો શેડો છે એ ફોલ થતો દેખાય બોર્ડ ઉપર. તો how can you observe this? જે શેડો છે એ ફોલ થાય છે થોડો થોડો. See my hand, shadow of my hand. But if I am doing like this, it is like some animals. So sometimes shadow also misleads. ક્યારેક તો શેડો મિસલીડ પણ કરે. Then in figure 11.4 are a few shadows that you can create with your hands and to make a believe that they are shadow of the different animals. Have fun. તો એક એક્ઝામ્પલ બેસ્ટ ઈ છે. સી સમ શેડોઝ, હેન્ડથી બનતા શેડોઝનું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું છે. So that you can make a face of some animals and you can pretend it has to be animals and you can have a fun. Now let's perform activity 4. Now place a chair in the school ground on the sunny day. જ્યારે સૂર્યનો મસ્ત તડકો આવતો હોય, and just place a chair on a sunny day. What do you observe from the shadow of the chair? Does the shadow give an accurate picture of the shape of the chair? Yes. If the chair is turned around a little, how does the shape of the shadow changes? તમે એને જેમ ટર્ન કરો ચેરને, even the shadow also get turned. Take a thin notebook and look at the shadow. Then take a rectangular box and look at the shadow. डू टू सीम्स टू हैव अ सिमिलर शेप? नो. एक रेक्टेंग्युलर અને એક સ્ક્વેરમાં એટલો બધો સિમિલર હોતો નથી until તમે જ્યાં સુધી એને સેમ લેવલથી ઓબ્ઝર્વ ના કરો. સપોઝ એટ આઈ એમ પુટિંગ બુક લાઈક ધીસ, એટલો જ ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એ કંપાસ બોક્સનો કે રેક્ટેંગલ બોક્સનો હશે તો એક્યુરેટ માપ આપશે. અદરવાઇઝ if I am taking the measurement of compass box from here or a rectangular box from here and a book from very down, then you can of course get misled. Take the flower of or other object different colors and look at their shadows. A red rose, a yellow rose, or for instant. Do the shadows look different in a color when the colors of the object are different? જોવો જોઈએ જ્યારે કલર ડિફરન્ટ થઈ જશે, એક રેડ રોઝ લ્યો, એક ઓરેન્જ લ્યો, એક વ્હાઇટ લ્યો, તો શું એ ચેન્જ કલર છે એ ચેન્જ થાય? કલર ચેન્જ થવાના કારણે શેડો ચેન્જ થાય છે? ઓફકોર્સ નોટ. ટેક અ લોંગ બોક્સ એન્ડ લુક એટ ધ શેડો ઓન ધ ગ્રાઉન્ડ. When you move the box around, you may see that the size of a shadow changes. When is the shadow of the box the shortest? When the long side of the box is pointed towards the sun, or when the short side is pointed towards the sun. ટેક અ લંચ બોક્સ. એક લંચ બોક્સ લ્યો, એને લંચ બોક્સને અલગ અલગ સાઈડથી ફેરવીને જુઓ શોર્ટ ક્યારે થાય છે, લોંગ ક્યારે થાય છે. ધીસ ઇઝ વેરી ઇઝી. તમે જેમ જેમ ઉપર લેશો એમ એ લોંગ થશે, જેમ જેમ તમે નીચે લેશો એ શોર્ટ થશે. તમે જેમ જેમ આમ ઊંચે લેશો એ શોર્ટ સન તરફ પોઈન્ટ કરશે, જેમ જેમ લેશો એ આમ લેશો એ ડાઉન તરફ પોઈન્ટ કરશે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ વેરી ઇઝી એક્ટિવિટી. Let us use this long box to prepare a simple camera. Now in our next video we are going to learn about how to make a camera from a simple long cardboard. Okay, so in this video what you get to learn, we know about the shadow exactly શું છે એ આપણે જોયું. શેડો છે એ એક ઓરિજિનલ થિંગ્સની એક ઇમેજિનરી પરછાઈ છે, શેપ છે, ઇમેજિનરી શેપ, જેને તમે એ વસ્તુના પ્લેસને મૂવ કરી ઉપર કરો, નીચે કરો, સાઈડમાં કરો, એન્ડ યુ કેન મેક ઇટ ધ ડિફરન્ટ શેપ. એનો તમે શેપ થોડો બદલાવી શકો છો. સો હિયર ધ 11.2 ઇઝ ઓવર.